Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this Tropiclean breath plaque. This is essentially an oral care, as you see, oral care water additive for dogs. So if your dog maybe struggles from bad breath, or doesn't really like getting their teeth brushed, or whatever it is, if you just want to maybe just make sure that you can keep your dog's mouth clean very, very easily, very, very painlessly, then this is where this stuff really comes in handy. And it's great. It's great for all kinds of dogs. So the reason I got this was for our pup. It helps to basically keep his breath nice. It's cool because we can just simply add a little bit to his water, and it maintains his breath really without him even knowing it. And I don't think he recognizes that it's in his water, or at least if he does, it doesn't faze him at all. He drinks it like he would normally. On the actual thing, it says that it eliminates bad breath. It eliminates bad breath for up to 12 hours. I'm not totally sure on that claim, but he's never really had bad breath, so it's hard to say. This is almost just kind of like a cautionary thing, because we used to have a dog who had really, really bad breath, and it was not fun at all. So we've kind of learned from that, and that's why we got this. He doesn't like brushing at all. We've tried to brush his teeth a few times. He just does not work well with it. He shakes his head around a lot, and this is great for basically eliminating the need to try and hold him down to do that. All you have to do is you take this off and you add a small capful to the water bowl every time you refill it, so you're pretty much all good to go. You can press it down and squirt it in, but it says to add a capful, so we usually just take it off and add it in there. Yeah, every time you refill your bowl, just put this in. It's very, very, very simple. The ingredient that is mostly present in here is green tea, which I kind of thought was interesting, but then I realized it's not caffeinated, so that's one thing you don't have to worry about. It's like, okay, interesting. Tea, caffeine, dogs would be a weird mix, but essentially what this green tea does is it works as kind of like a natural form of fluoride. So you don't want to give your dogs regular, toothpaste and stuff. This helps to fight off any bacteria that might make your dog's breath smell really bad. And green tea for that is great. Actually, now I've learned that, which is kind of cool. I dig the natural aspect of it too. I don't want to give my dogs as much as we can lay off of the processed ingredients. I think when it comes to giving our dogs stuff is basically the best move. And so I like that it's, there are mostly natural ingredients in here instead of all that kind of nasty stuff. The package on this, the plastic, or whatever this is made out of, says it is 100% biodegradable. Pretty awesome. You can, nice to have a company that basically has these natural claims and then sticks to it even with their packaging, because that always bugs me when it's like you have a company that, they say they're natural and then they have this plastic packaging and stuff that, is not good for the environment. So it's kind of cool that they do that. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely pricey for what it is. Although, if you think long term, about your dog's breath, especially as dogs get into old age, they tend to get their breath becomes worse because their gums, start kind of rotting, or just, whatever problems, stomach problems they might run into. Think about it long term. It's really just a great investment to have. Also, I mean, the bottle here is pretty big, so you're gonna really have a lot to work with when it comes to using it. One thing I will say is that, because it's so big, it is heavy, it's a little bit harder to store. So if you're someone who maybe travels a lot, you'll definitely want to get smaller bottles of this, maybe, because this is, let's see, how many ounces? 16 fluid ounces. So yeah, it's pretty large. You're not going to be able to take this on a plane or anything like that either. So you may want to get a smaller one if that's kind of your thing. But other than that, I would highly recommend it if you're looking to keep your dog's breath fresh for long. And again, this is the Tropiclean Oral Care Water Additive Fresh Breath, and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, definitely check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.